Hello class 2 students, welcome to the mathematics online classes. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is subtraction. Subtraction means taking away from anything or decreasing any values. Suppose I have 24 color pencils, right? So, and out of these 24 pencils I have used 16. So how many color pencils are unused or left that are not used? In this situation, suppose 24, the total number of pencils are 24. So this 24 is become the minute, and 16 pencils that are used by me, it becomes a subtrahend. And my question is, how many pencils are left which are unused? So first I'll take the difference, and whatever the result we have is called the difference, right? The result is called the difference. So I'm going to introduce one method how to find out a difference of two numbers. Okay, now students, I'm going to explain you the first method of subtraction, that is subtraction by drawing shapes. I'll take the same example, that number of total color pencils are 24. So total pencils 24, and out of this used pencils 16, right? So how can we calculate the difference of these two numbers? By drawing shapes. This is the bigger number. The bigger number is called the minute, and the number which is subtracted from the bigger number minute is called the subtrahend. So whatever the minute given in the question, we have to draw the shapes. So this is the solution here. Suppose how many triangles? I will just stick in the triangle just to draw my shapes to represent my minute. 24. So I just start making the triangles. 24 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, now used pencils are how many? 16s. Now let's start cutting this to calculate the remaining pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. First we have to start from the left hand side, and then when we have to cut the triangles from the opposite direction like this. Now let's count the remaining triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 24 minus 16. The 8 is the answer. So 8 pencils are left with me which are unused. So this is the method of drawing shapes to calculate the difference. Now student, the second method of subtraction is by drawing slanting lines. In this question I will take an example. Subtract 26 from 42. This 26 is the smaller than 42. So 42 has become the minute and 26 has become the subtrahend. What is the way to solve this method with the help of slanting lines? I'll make two boxes, and here I have written the minute, and the right hand side I have written the subtrahend. 42. So 42 slanting lines I have made at some gap. Similarly, I have drawn the slanting lines. How many? 26, because the subtrahend is 26. Now what we have to do? There's a two method, either to pair, like here by making the loop, or by cutting it. Like let's start with here. Suppose this is the first one. Start making the loop on this one. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now they are paired. Here are 26. Now 26 pairs are there. Now let's count the remaining numbers, remaining slanting lines in the minute, because minute is the bigger number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what is the answer here? 42 minus 16 is the, how many are remaining, student? How many are remaining? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, this is 26. 16. So 16 is the answer. So this is the way to, with the help of slanting line. Now student, the third method of subtraction is by drawing dots. The question is subtract 19 from 35. 35 is the minute because this is a bigger number and 19 is the subtrahend. So what is the method, student? Another method I am going to explain you. You can also use this method in by drawing the slanting line also. So write minute here first. 35. So you have to start making the dots of minute in a box. First draw the dots, and dots is not like this. No, make a small circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By drawing dots, but dots is like a small circle, right? They are total number of total circles, total dots are 35. Now what is the subtrahend here? 19. Start cutting either from the top or from the bottom, making a cross. 19 cross we have to make on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Done. Now count the remaining. 35 minus 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 is the answer. This is the way to do the subtraction with the help of drawing dots. You can also use this method while doing with the help of slanting lines. You can also use this method if that the previous method is so confusing or lengthy method, so you can use this method also while doing with the help of slanting lines. Right, student? Now student, I have explained 3 methods in today's session. Subtraction. First I explained 3 terms: minute, subtrahend and difference. Minute is a bigger number, subtrahend a number which is subtracted, or we can say the smaller number, and the difference, the result we got after subtraction 2 numbers, is called the difference. And subtraction by 3 different methods. First is by drawing dots, second is by drawing slanting lines, and the third one is by drawing dots. I hope you enjoy this session. Keep practicing all these methods with the help of these subtraction with the help of these 3 methods. Thank you students. Stay home, stay healthy.